Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
What are some of the average numbers I should be looking at on my water bill? How would I know if I'm in the medium, if I'm way over, if I'm way under?
Yeah, great question. So I've got some statistics from the city of Phoenix. Each city is going to be a little bit different, but an average 3-bedroom home in the city of Phoenix, the average water bill should be about $71.
And that's how many gallons?
So what they're allotting as a normal amount of gallons would be 5 units of water this time of the year, and each unit of water would be 748 gallons, so just under 4,000 gallons per month. Now, as we transition into summer months, which is going to be beginning of June, they're going to allow 8 units of water at 748 gallons a unit of water. So they're letting you go up about 33%, give or take.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona